So, how did you find the careers talk from Anglia Ruskin University?
Wow, today is very fantastic day, and I enjoyed, and I still hope for the rest of the other people they really enjoy what I've learned today. To get the functional skill, to get into the university, and it was wonderful to be here, and what I have learned today, I'm going to use it to further my education and move forward to achieve my goal.
So, what do you need to do first?
What I need to do first is to put myself in order to continue to get my English and maths, and again to finish my health and social care, because I've started it before. So I just give a break to get my functional skill on English and maths. So,
Okay.
and I believe that for today, the information that I got today is useful and is going to help me to achieve my goal in
Lovely.
the future.